What up, guys? We're here at Fontana. Awesome. One of our newest locations that we're in. When I tell you they are killing it, they are killing the game. This place, they just always busy, always something going on, and the location is just phenomenal. We're up here in Fontana with awesome parking. They got parking on this side. They're really impressive what they've done in 3 months' time. It's phenomenal. Where do you see the inside? And then they got a whole back feed store. They got a whole back location, Paw Factory feed store. So come check it out, guys. It's an awesome place. So I'll take you in the front. They always got something going on here. They're killing the game. Killing the game. Whatever you need. They got collars. They got all top of the line harnesses. Whatever you need, they got you covered. They got a lot of bling back here. Killing the game. Check out these custom harnesses. Look at that. Look at that. Might have to get one of these for V-Tour. What's up, big dog?
What's going on, man?
How are you, man?
My wife's actually doing an interview of Canine with the customer right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Why don't you jump in on it?
Let's do it.
Come on.
Let's do it. We got some real footage going on here.
Oh, there he is.
How are you?
Good.
What's up, buddy? How you doing, man?
Yeah,
What's
right
going?
here, just educating on your product here. The
Oh,
here.
let's do it. Let's do
He
it.
wants to know why should he get him on Canine?
Who wants to know? Who are we talking to?
Yeah, why should
All
he get
right,
it?
so here's the deal, bro. You want to if you want success, and I don't care what it is, what do? You follow a proven blueprint, right? So that proven blueprint in this world, second to none, not even up for debate, is Mother Nature. Mother Nature's got this reproduction thing on lockdown. So all we did when we put these products together is I just followed Mother Nature, right? Organ meats, muscle meats, bones. That's the foundation, and then we build from there. So what I mean by that are multivitamin, organ meats, muscle meats, bones. Then we added in other natural ingredients that's going to build the immune system, right? So start to build that from the inside out. Joint support, organ meats, muscle meats, bones. Then we added in MSM, glucosamine, some other natural ingredients that's going to help lubricate the joints, support the muscle tissue. Weight gainer, same thing. Animal protein, animal fat. That's all they eat in the wild. And then the puppy formula, man, puppy formula. We just launched it. It's my baby, the puppy formula, man. It's got everything you need to mimic mama's milk. And the powders, you just mix it right in, wet, dry, canned, kibble, doesn't matter. I feed raw. I've been feeding raw for 25 years. I'll never not feed raw. That's my thing. You throw it into raw, it's going to help the absorption rate with the digestive enzymes. So we got this covered from A to Z, and all I did was follow Mother Nature, right? That's all I did is follow the most proven blueprint when it comes to reproduction, when it comes to not only surviving, but thriving. Because the wolves, right? If you can't pronounce what's on the back on the ingredients, I promise you the wolves aren't going to Google it, right? So if it's organ meats, muscle meats, bones, that's exactly what they're going to eat in the wild. Because you got to remember something. In the wild, that pack of wolves, the coyotes, they're only interested in one thing. How do we make it for tomorrow? That's all they're interested in. That's why there's a pack mentality. That's why there's an alpha, right? Only the alphas get to reproduce, right? The strong survive. Mother Nature's got this thing on absolute lockdown. So that's all we did here. And the cool thing too is we'll work within your budget, right? Depending on what your goal is, I'll help you reverse engineer. Right? So all these products will work by themselves, or stacked together in a combo, depending on where you are budget-wise. But the first thing is, let's figure out what your goal is, and then we just reverse engineer based on what the goal is, and then based on the your budget. Yeah, that's where we're at, man. There's that 30,000-foot view. And the other thing that kind of separates us from pretty much everyone else in the industry that I'm aware of is every one of our every dog on all these bags, not only on the product, but the owners took time out of their day to DM us real world feedback. So all their IG handles are on the back of all the dogs, right? And if you follow us on IG, that's all we do, all unsolicited real world feedback. That's how we roll. What are you looking to do? What's your goal?
We're already learning everything right now. This is our first King Corso.
What are you feeding them now?
Well, they were giving them Victor,
Mm-hmm.
and then so now we came here. My buddy recommended us to go hear about different feeds.
Okay, how old is he?
He's only 8 months.
8 months?
8 months.
Oh, 8 weeks, man, big boy. Beautiful, beautiful animal, man. Yeah. So just keep in mind too with the mastiffs, right? Their bones and they grow at a different rate. So you just want to make sure that they're being the bones the joints are being lubricated to keep up with the growth, for sure. Yeah, man. And the best way to do that, animal fat. Just like Mother Nature.
What's the biggest Corso you've ever seen?
So far, if he's here, he's right behind there.
Yeah.
What? Last time I saw him, he was what, 11 months?
12 now.
But he was 11,
Yeah.
right? $1.75.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And this is all you. Yeah.
yeah. No, look. At the end of the day, all we're doing is filling in the nutritional gaps that are being lost in the commercial feed just because of the high temperature processing, just like processed food for humans. Yeah. So, yeah, man. Let's connect on IG, man. If you have any questions, you can DM me.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, brother.
All right, man. Appreciate it.
Pleasure, man.
Thank you.
It's like a workout today. That's good. That's what you're looking for, right? Yeah.
Let's see when he gets big.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean he's got the genetics. Now it's just maximizing those genetics, right? And keeping up with that growth. Yeah. Yeah, keeping the energy high.
I'm gonna ride him in here next time I come in.
That's it. That's right. Yeah, man. But like I said, hit me up on IG.
I will.
Any questions, man? DM me. We'll get you dialed in.
All right.
Yeah, man. Best of luck.